I'm Katherine Klunder, and this is my God story. I started doing theater my freshman year of high school and have done it since then. I'm now a senior, and this past summer I struggled with the decision whether or not to continue doing theater. And when I was doing theater, I was in a state of just a lot of gossip and just saying hurtful things about other people. Sometimes I didn't say it out loud, but I was thinking it, which is just as bad. And I was constantly judging others and based on their talent, which I am no one to judge what is valuable and what isn't, because everyone has worth in God's eyes. At the end of junior year, I started praying to God, saying, what should I cut out of my life? I'm super busy, super stressed all the time with school and work and all the other things I'm doing. So I prayed, and God was like, you need to cut out theater. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that, because that's something that I love and something that I've done for the past 3 years. And so I kept praying this summer. One day I was in the pool with Caroline Olson, and we were just talking about my whole struggle, and she was like, I think you should just make the decision. I was like, oh my gosh. And like that second, there was this uncontrollable peace and just this awesome feeling. And it wasn't sad. Like I was so thrilled to know what I was like, that I wasn't going to do it anymore. And in the process of all of this, I had been thinking about me in the worship band, and I joined the worship band here at church my sophomore year of high school. And I joined just as a singer, and the past half a year or so or more, I've been learning guitar. And when I decided not to do theater anymore, God told me that, you're not doing theater, but you're gonna be doing worship band, and that's glorifying for me, and you're praising me in that. And when I was doing theater, it was about me getting the adoration and me getting the praise, and I just fed off of people's compliments, and I just was very into myself and not in for God. And so when I decided not to do theater anymore, it was like, well, I'm losing that thing that I love, but I'm also gaining an activity that I just give God the praise for everything. And while I'm leading worship, it's something that I love to do too. And the past couple of years have been awesome. And the whole process of struggling whether or not to do theater was really hard on me. But when I went to talk to my teacher and my director, who I just love him dearly, I went in there to talk to him, and I was really afraid, because I knew he was going to be disappointed and sad, and I didn't know if he was going to understand. And I wanted him to understand that it wasn't something that I just decided on a whim, but I decided through a lot of prayer and a lot of consideration. And he was very understanding and very compassionate towards me, and he was grateful that I was being vulnerable with him and explaining my story. And he understood that I was seeking God's plan, and he thought that was admirable, and that just meant the world to me, because I didn't want to disappoint him in that. And deciding this was really difficult, but altogether I know that I'm following God's plan and that there is a greater purpose in this. And I gave up theater, but I gained the leading worship and just focusing on that more, and I couldn't do both things fully and 100% with all of my effort. And so giving up theater allowed me to fully give myself into the worship band, and just giving me more time to spend with God and just learn more about Him. And I think that's the most important thing that I learned through this process, is seeking God and following His will, even if it's really hard, and that means giving up something that I love. But it's important, and it was something that I needed to go through, and there was a complete peace about it. And I'm so thankful that God has been working in me and will continue working in me. And this decision was really hard for me, but I know that there's a greater plan in it, and that God is using me and will continue to use me where He's placed me. And I am just so thankful for that. And I just continue to seek God daily and just follow His plan more obediently, and just surrendering my all to Him.